Yun yung sinasabi nila. So kahit hindi sila magsalita, yun yung nararamdaman kong gustong iparating nila sa akin.
Well, ako, hindi ganun yung tingin ko sa'yo. So stop wasting your tears on people who put you down.
Salamat.
Pabayaan mo yung mga taong nanlalait sa'yo. Because there are other people who can see you beyond your looks. Just like me.
Salamat po.
Don't worry, William. I've sorted it all out. I've spoken to the investors and they're fine. I think.
Excellent. Thank you.
Have you ever thought of why Marikit would suddenly do such a scene?
Yeah, but Matthew says she's awkward, uncomfortable, nervous, and this is probably not intentional in any way. Let's give her the benefit of the doubt.
Maybe, but what if it wasn't? What if she intentionally did that para mapahiya yung investors natin?
Why would she do that?
I've actually been doing some research about Marikit, and it turns out that she's quite close to the community that is against the casino resort. What if it's part of her plan para isabotahe tayo from the inside? I mean, think about it. Yung sunog, yung kidnapping, what's the common denominator? Marikit. Pati yung fire. What if it just got out of control at siya na mismo napuruhan nito? And come to think of it, she is now very, very close to May, and to Matthew, and to Drew. And she's just an employee here. What if sinasadya niya lang lahat ng iyan para ma-impluensyahan niya si May at si Matthew at hindi matuloy yung project na ayaw niya, yung casino resort?
Well, maybe.
I would be very careful if I were you, William. Dahil malay mo, baka kayo na mismo nag-aalaga ng ahas na siyang tutuklaw din sa inyo. I have to go back to the party. Excuse me.
You know what? I can see through your scars na sobrang ganda mo.
Dahan-dahan po kayo sa pambubola niyo sa akin. Baka maniwala na ho akong bumalik na yung dati kong ganda.
Hindi ako nang bobola, no? So stop putting yourself down, okay?
Salamat po.
Hey, kid. I've been looking everywhere for you. How are you feeling?
Okay na po ako, Sir Matthew. Hindi po kinausap ako ni
Pia?
Matthew.
Ay, kakilala po kayo?
Yes. I used to be his girlfriend. I just missed you. But wait. You two know each other?
Yeah. Ikit is my...
Empleyado niyo po ako. Tourist guide po ako dito sa resort.
Ikit, can we talk?
Tsaka na lang po, sir, medyo gabi na rin. Baka hinahanap na rin po ako doon sa bahay.
I'm really sorry about what happened back there. You don't deserve to be humiliated in front of all those people.
Okay lang po ako. Okay nga po ako ngayon eh. Kailangan ko na rin po mauna kasi baka may pag-uusapan pa po kayo. Baka nakaka-istorbo pa po ako eh. Salamat po ulit.
Ikit, wait, Ikit.
Matthew.
Ikit. Okay ka lang?
Uwi na ako, Drew.
Ano nangyari? Gusto mo hatid na kita?
Hindi na doon, salamat.
I'm sorry for surprising you. Ikaw naman kasi hindi mo sinasagot ng messages and calls ko. Yeah, the minute I got the invitation, I decided to come na.
Yeah. You know exactly why I wasn't answering the messages or calls.
Yeah, I know. That's why I'm really sorry, Matt. I'm sorry for breaking up with you. Remember nung tayo pa. I got jaded because you had everything planned out. Lahat de numero. Lahat according sa gusto mo. I realized na I wanted to be free. To explore, to find excitement. That's why I left you.
Sure that was the only reason? Yeah. No other men in your life?
Of course, wala. I only dated other guys nung nasa US na ako. That's it.